Hey friends, once again welcome back to the channel. I am Gaurav here and that's the part 7 of this series. So in today's video, we're gonna design our level and the enemy. Okay, so let's get started level designing. But first, as I always say, if you are new in this channel, then please check out our previous videos first. And also consider to subscribe our channel, it will help us to keep motivated. So as you see, it's our project and it has camera, direction light, a wall and ground, and of course also our player. Now first of all, before we start in designing our level, we should set up our player, right? Okay, first create an empty game object and name it player, and drag our player in it and change its name to player body. Reset its transform and also for player body transform too. Now drag player movement script on the parent game object and add Rigidbody. And now here you are thinking that why we are using Rigidbody and what exactly is it, right? Well, let me clear what Rigidbody stands for. Well, Rigidbody is a component which is responsible to add physics forces on game objects. Means Rigidbody makes object to act under the control of the physics forces. Like same as us, we feel physics forces in real world too, such as gravity, drag, mass and other forces. Hope you got that. And the box collider component gives ability to collide with other game objects. And within the player body, remove box collider from that. We don't need here anymore. Change its size to 5, 5 and 5 and 3 on the Y position and minus 95 on Z position. Yeah, it looks nice. I think this looks nice, right? Okay, now let's focus on level designing. It's just a prototype so that we can get some idea about how our game will look, right? Now let's create an empty game object and name it obstacles, and then reset its transform. Within it we will create all our obstacles. Now here let's create a 3D game object, cube. And now I think I should make that video fast forward because it's gonna take too much time, and actually you can design your own unique level, completely different. It's all up to you. You don't really need to make your level design look same as mine. Just feel free to design your level, but don't spend too much time because hey, it's a prototype, remember? Keep it in mind, we will enhance our level design in the future videos, okay? For now, just play with some blocks and make something interesting. So, it's my level and I'm sure you guys design your own unique level, and actually it's all about your creativity. Well, as we designed our level, so now I think we can take one more step to start designing our enemy, right? You know, without enemy or boss, game will be boring, right? So let's create our enemy. Again, it's all about your imagination. Make your own unique enemy and it'll be fun. So let's get started. Create a cube and reset its transform, and also make an empty game object, name it enemy, and drag that cube within enemy and reset its transform and move enemy here and increase its scale to 5 on all directions. And now I'm gonna fast forward this video again. And here we go. Here's our enemy. I think it already looks pretty nice, isn't it? Well, now I think it's time to end this video, and I'll meet you in further upcoming videos. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. And as always, one last thing, subscribe my channel, is completely free. There is a one bright red button down there, just right here, somewhere. Subscribe now. It'll help me to keep motivated. For now, take care and see you later.